Valley Sen bungalow village. Sian. Oh, you're Sian. Oh, this is my favorite part of the resort. For breakfast, we're having beef noodles, which is actually really common in Vietnam.
Oh, it's private beach.
Yeah.
We have been traveling Asia for slightly more than 3 weeks, and this is the first resort where we feel like we want to spend more than 1 month or even live here if it all went well.
Welcome to Valley Sen Bungalow Village, one of the best hotels we've stayed in since we started our journey in Asia. And this resort has changed our lives, and throughout this video, you will see why. This resort is located deep within the island of Phu Quoc, where you feel isolated from all the noise pollution, but still connected with the nature and the wildlife around you. But don't feel like you're missing out just because you're not in the city center. If you want to go to the city center or nearby restaurants, they have a free shuttle. This is the reception area, but also where we had breakfast every morning since we arrived at this hotel.
Đã mở cửa được bao lâu rồi?
Gia đình sở hữu
5 years? 5 years. And you, the owner, like family?
Sian.
Sian. Oh, you're Sian. Oh, her name is Sian. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Oh my God, that's so wholesome. So that's Sian, and it's like very, very family-owned hotel because the name of the hotel is actually her name. I love that. And it's only been open for 5 years. Like, they've done an amazing job to build this place to what it is now. This is my favorite part of the resort. Come here, come here, come here, come here. So last night we started hearing lots of noises. The cabin was kind of shaking. So we put the chair and the table against the door because we are a little bit scared. So now it's time to move them and see what is hiding behind that door. And then we'll go have breakfast. Hello. The same. For breakfast, we're having beef noodles, which is actually really common in Vietnam to have like noodles, rice. It's basically lunch. And these noodles are incredible. I've had them every single day that we've been here, and Max as well.
And to satisfy the sweet tooth, we've ordered a dish of pancakes. And you won't believe it, that each dish costs £1.80, and with drinks included. This is honestly paradise.
He doesn't want to be my friend. I will always love you. That's the cutest dog I've ever seen in my life. But he doesn't want to be friends with me. Now that the rain has cleared up, we're gonna go get all of our stuff and hop on the bike and go to a beach. The true island life. Can I please say that the wildlife in this hotel is just so unique. It feels like you're in the jungle.
Thank God Carol realized, but we've got one insect here fighting for his life, one here also fighting for his life, and then 2 that have been massacred by ants. Also, we forgot to mention that we asked for the motorbike in reception, and in 15 minutes they brought it up here. So it's such an easy and convenient way to rent a motorbike. We didn't know it was going to be that easy.
do not come to our resort to take the picture by the professional camera.
Oh, it's private beach?
Yeah.
So we don't record, but over there, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just here, no.
Just here. Just here.
So we
Okay.
just cover down.
Yeah.
Fine.
Thank you. So I'm not sure if you could hear that, but that section of the beach was private. We didn't have the cameras on and we weren't taking pictures or anything, but as we saw that he was approaching car, was record because we thought it was going to try and sell something, but no, he told us that we couldn't use it.
So it's actually okay to record with the phone, but because it's a professional camera, it's not okay. But he's being really nice about it, and we really appreciate him taking the time to explain it to us because we were so confused. We are fine now, we got a spot.
And
Let's
it does
just enjoy.
look like the Maldives, like paradise.
It's beautiful, and you can tell it's a private beach because there's just no trash here. And if you're confused about what I'm saying, it's because you haven't watched our previous video where we go to another beach which is just pure trash. So go and watch the video now, the link is here. And now let's go and enjoy the water. Feel something.
Show me.
It's a bit of blood, but... So we're leaving the beach slightly earlier than expected because we both got stabbed in our feet by whatever it was at the bottom of the sea. So big recommendation, wear the sea shoes, which we actually have them, we just didn't bring them today. But now it's time to show you the hotel. And this behind me is our bungalow. We chose this bungalow because it was actually high ground and they have so many different types of places you can stay in. But ours has a bridge and our own private stairs. And what's even more special about this type of bungalow is that you have your own private area underneath. And this is just really cool if you want to just hang out here and have your lunch and dinner. And now let's actually see the inside of this bungalow. Just before you enter your room, you have a seating area. It's basically the views, the whole resort. We've stayed here for 5 nights and I think our bungalow is actually one of the best ones here. We've got the best view and it's so private as well. We don't hear anybody else talking and we don't really see anyone from where we are placed. But anyways, let's look inside bungalow 205. Welcome to our bungalow. We found this bungalow so romantic. You've got love hearts as windows. Because this hotel is quite secluded, you get the jungle experience, but inside your bungalow is actually really good. We haven't had many experiences of like really big creatures inside the room. And also because we are in the rainy season, we basically get rainforest sounds during the night and it's so relaxing. It just helps us go to sleep really fast. One of our favorite parts of this bungalow has been showering with the most unique views to the jungle.
We have been traveling Asia for slightly more than 3 weeks, and this is the first resort where we feel like we want to spend more than 1 month or even live here if it all went well.
Since the moment we got here, we felt this need to just slow down. We felt like we were going through the different cities so quickly during our journey, and that's why we've stayed here for 5 nights. It's the longest we've stayed somewhere.
And it's also places like this why we made a life-changing decision, because we felt so trapped in London that this is eye-opening.
There was literally a thunderstorm this morning and it's completely warm now, and this makes us think like we were so hung up about living in London with that terrible weather and now we're here. And on the other side of our bungalow, we have another swimming pool, just as photogenic as the other one.
Anyways guys, this has been our favorite hotel in Southeast Asia.
And if you guys want to see more of the hotels that we stay in, make sure you put the notification bell so you can see every time we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching.
And don't forget to
Like and subscribe.